the markets have experienced a significant decline following the liquidation and sale of billions and billions of dollars. But what will happen to the markets, and Shiba Inus in particular, in the future? You can't afford to miss this video if you own any Shiba tokens or have any interest in Shiba Inus. What is the most recent Shiba Inu coin news, and how will it impact Shiba Inu's value? I'll be responding to these queries and providing you with all of the recently released price-boosting Shiba Inu facts in today's video. Since I spent a lot of time researching for this video, please make sure to watch through to the very end to avoid missing anything. Additionally, the Shiba news will shortly be relocated to a different channel. To view that, watch the video that is pinned in the description and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on. But before we get into our subject, let's check at the chart and see what the Shiba price is doing on April 13th. The cost of a Shiba Inu is currently about 2,460 units. With a $1.3 billion trading volume over the course of the last day, the price of Shiba has decreased by 8.4%. The token is presently the 12th most valuable cryptocurrency with a market cap of more than $14.5 billion. Please remember that by the time you watch this video, some prices may have changed. This is not investment advice. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter as well. All you have to do to be eligible to win thousands of dollars is follow me on there, as we will be hosting some huge prizes soon. Let's start the video for today. Let's first discuss the current market flush and examine the larger cryptocurrency sector. This is the reason behind the dramatic decline in Shiba, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and the entire market. The global crypto market cap dropped to $2.38 trillion after a severe correction in the market that saw a decline of almost 8%. The latest sell-off in the cryptocurrency market resulted in a loss of approximately $250 billion in market value overall. A number of variables, including options expiration, past Bitcoin halving trends, macroeconomic concerns, and technical chart weakness, contributed to the sharp decline in Bitcoin's price to $65,500. Ethereum's price dropped by 12% as a result of the sell-off in the cryptocurrency market caused by Bitcoin. As a result, all coins dropped by 15% to 30%. Among the most liquidated cryptocurrencies during the past day are meme coins. Options expiry sparked a sell-off in the cryptocurrency market, which was further exacerbated by other reasons. In fact, early this week, the crypto market began to exhibit symptoms of weakness ahead of the US CPI report. Due to increasing inflows into Bitcoin ETFs and the desire for long positions resulting from the fear of a Bitcoin halving, the price of Bitcoin rose to $72,000 in a range-bound manner. Experts including Benjamin Cowan, Peter Brandt, and Arthur Hayes, as reported by Coinbase, foresaw a decline in Bitcoin prices, perhaps leading to a market meltdown if the price of the cryptocurrency replicated a similar chart pattern observed at prior Bitcoin halving events and, most recently, during the spot Bitcoin ETF listing. Sun projected that following the halving, the price of Bitcoin might go below $60,000. After options expire, Coingate also projected a decline in the price of Ethereum and Bitcoin. The preceding graphic makes it evident that the options expiry at Nook marked the beginning of the crypto market sell-off. The reasons were tempered sentiment following the hotter CPI, dominating sell transactions in the derivatives market amid low volumes, and lower maximum pain points than the trading prices. The price of Bitcoin crashed through significant support levels around $70,146, $68,200, and $65,000, extending the sell-off triggered by Middle East geopolitical unrest and unfavorable sentiment following big bank earnings reports. On Friday, J.P. Morgan Chase's stock dropped 6.47%. The U.S. 10-year Treasury yield increased to a 6-month high of 4.58% as a result of the global macroeconomic developments, and the U.S. dollar index surged beyond 106, the highest level since early November. Since Bitcoin moves against the DXY and Treasury rates, an increase in both has resulted in a drop in the price of the cryptocurrency to $65,000 and a meltdown of the crypto market. When whales return, a 57% increase in incoming Shiba Inu stuns. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency with a dog motif, has caused a 57% increase in big holder inflows, which are indicative of money moving into whale addresses. According to data from Into the Block, Shiba Inu's large holder inflows increased from 44.81 billion sheep on April 11 to 2.66 trillion sheep on April 12. There is a correlation between the increase in large holder inflows and a critical measure that shows whale activity. In the past 24 hours, Shiba Inu's enormous transaction volume increased by 276%, resulting in the transfer of 8.63 trillion sheep. In terms of dollars, this came to 22.56%. Increases in transaction volumes indicate that institutional players, or whales, are actively involved in the market. The spike in substantial holder inflows could be explained by a few different circumstances. An surge in purchases by whales or huge investors who might be purchasing sheep tokens on exchanges and then storing them in cold storage is one option. Another possibility is that these inflow increases frequently occur before price bottoms, suggesting that whales are buying sheep at a discount as a result of the present market correction. This might mean that they are deliberately preparing for future gains and are waiting for a price rebound. The market is going through a crypto slaughter with substantial losses all around, therefore the timing of the spike in important whale measures is crucial. Shiba prices fall by 12%. The weekend saw a decline in cryptocurrencies as risk-off attitudes extended from traditional markets to digital assets. The Fed's plans to lower rates this year were dashed by an unexpectedly high CPI figure, which also raised concerns that the pace of success in containing rising prices may be decreasing. As volatility returns to the cryptocurrency market, most cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, are currently selling at a loss. It would be really appreciated if you could click the like button if you are still watching. It is completely free and really aids with channel support. However, stay tuned for the most recent Shiba Inu news and developments regarding the Shiba Inu currency. Despite a recent decline, a market expert sees variables that will drive Shiba to 3,100 units. Yesterday was one of the biggest collapses in the cryptocurrency market this year, with most coins losing double digits over the course of a day. Shiba Inu has had a sharp price decline of 11.6% during the past day amidst this downward trend. Although there are factors that could drive Shiba Inu's upward, market analysts believe that current decline is just a retest of the lows, which could trigger a significant price increase. Max Allen disclosed in his most recent TradingView study that Shiba bulls have persisted in holding onto their tokens in spite of the ongoing decline. This is an indicator of an impending recovery. In an earlier post, the Crypt Basic highlighted this tendency, noting that the majority of Shiba Inu shark and whale addresses continued to hold their holdings. Max Allen stated that Shiba had stayed stable inside a rising channel on the 4-hour chart, citing data from an accompanying chart. And further contributing factor: the steady rise in volume, which attests to market players' ongoing interest in Shiba Inus, lends credence to Max Allen's optimism. Unbelievably, Shiba's transaction volume surged 164% in the last day to reach $1.2 billion, or 8.41% of its market capitalization. Furthermore, according to CoinGlass data, Shiba Inu's derivatives volume increased by an astounding 2,011% in just one day, reaching $369.99 million. Despite a 21.79% decline in open interest to $66 million as traders liquidate their holdings in the wake of the market fall and spike in liquidations, this higher volume nevertheless occurs. In addition to the increase in volume, Max Allen attested to the fact that the Shiba Inu's general upward tendency has persisted. He highlighted the importance of Shiba defending the recently violated channel support at 2,700 units in terms of market adjustment. Now for the major narrative of today's video. Burn rate of Shiba Inu tokens skyrockets. Shiba Inu tokens have seen substantial changes recently in accordance with shifts in the market's value. Data from Churn indicates that a significant rise in the quantity of tokens sent for burning has occurred. It's even more intriguing because this growth coincides with a price decrease. Significant acceleration of the Shiba token burn rate. Over the last week, there has been a discernible decrease in the rate at which tokens are burned, coinciding with a downturn in the coin's market value. There was a notable decline in the quantity of Shiba tokens cryptocurrency set aside for destruction, which consequently resulted in a fall in the burning rate overall. But in the days that followed, things took a sharp turn for the worst. Because of the lead developer's actions, the burning rate of Shiba Inu tokens, which rank in the top 20 in the world of cryptocurrencies, rose dramatically. The quantity of tokens delivered to the burning address increased significantly, according on statistics from Shib. 87.7 million Shiba tokens were burned in a single day, a remarkable 4,855.74% rise in burning rate above earlier data. Only 2 wallets worth of transactions were involved in this noteworthy increase. It takes 2 wallets to burn transactions. On Wednesday, 61.9 million tokens were burned by 1 wallet. 2.85 million more Shiba tokens were added to the burning process by the second wallet after that. The bustle of the day before provides a strong contrast to this sudden surge. Merely 18.37 tokens were burnt the day before. Additionally, there was a significant 99.59% drop in the burning rate. Rather than deliberate actions on the part of the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency team or shifts in community attitude, it seems that organic forces are the cause of this most recent growth. Because they trust the Shiba Inu creators and the true worth of Shiba, many of our subscribers remark that they will not be selling Shiba for the next 5 years, and will instead hold millions of them. What is the number of people holding? Remember to include a list of your Shiba holdings in the box below. Let's give the Shiba owners credit for their faith and trust in the system. If you find the video entertaining, please subscribe to the channel, give the video a large thumbs up, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to receive updates whenever we upload a new video, don't forget to enable post notifications. However, Shiba isn't the only project you ought to be researching right now. Actually, for the impending cryptocurrency bull run, I've put together a list of the top picks. Look at what's now on the screen. You won't want to miss it, I assure you.